Hello my lovely people, how are you guys doing? My lovely subscribers and my lovely viewers. Guys, this morning I'm gonna make breakfast. And I have bacon here, chicken bacon. Wait till this one, get 2 packs of chicken bacon. So I'm gonna make devil and horseback for breakfast this morning. And I have 3 ripe plantain over here. So we're gonna make devil and horseback this morning for breakfast. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you a little taste of Jamaica today. So I'm gonna cut this and open my bacon. So guys, you can get these in Maxi, and these are halal bacon too. So I'm gonna make my devil and horseback right now. Dry a little bit so that the oil won't burn me when I'm frying them. And guys, I want you to tell me, what do you call these in your country, or if you make it like this in your country? Guys, so I'm going to start with the first plantain that I cut up. I'm going to start in here. Guys, you're going to do it like this and you're going to fold it. You're going to fold it slowly. It's all in one row, okay? And then you're going to stick it with a Q-tip. And that's number 1. Do the same thing again. I'm gonna stick it again with the Q-tip. It's not hard to do, guys. You even can do it overnight and put it in the fridge. And when you get up in the morning, you can just fry them. I remember I used to make these at a restaurant before. And boy, at that time we used to do it with the other bacon, not with this one. It was just, we had it as an appetizer at the restaurant. And trust me, every day it used to sell out. don't have to use the bacon I use. You can use the other bacon if you want, but I prefer to use this one because I don't eat pork. If you want to use the baked pork or bacon, you can do that. That's your choice. Guys, as you can see, the type of bacon I use, you can go to Maxi and get this one. I just got this one at Maxi. Guys, as you can see, so I'm gonna cut another plantain, so stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, I'm almost finished. So as you can see, it's looking very nice over there. So I'm gonna fry them, and I'm gonna show you the finished product as soon as I'm finished. As soon as I finish frying them, I'm gonna plate them very nicely, and so you can see. So guys, you can make this for your breakfast in the morning, or if you're a new cook, you can make it as an appetizer if you have a big family. And this, I use a 2-pack of bacon and 3 plantain. So 2-pack of bacon, you cut the plantain them in 3 pieces, and then you cut each piece in 4, and then you can do 2-pack of bacon, or you can use 2 plantain and do 1 pack of bacon. If you cut them the way I cut them, you can cut them bigger if you want. But I want this one to stretch because I know everybody gonna want more than 1 or more than 2, at least 4 or 5 pieces. So guys, I'm gonna wash my hands and clean up, and then I'm gonna start frying. Okay, I'm gonna add my oil to my frying pan. That's enough for that whole plate. So as soon as my oil is heated, I'm gonna start frying, guys. Okay, I'm gonna start adding my devil on horseback in my frying pan. Start frying. guys, you see how they're coming on nicely? They are browning up very good. And guys, you have to dry your bacon very nicely. Because if you don't dry it, it's going to be pop. So make sure you dry it before you roll them. Or before you add it to your plantain, your right plantain. So stay. Okay guys, I'm putting in the last set in the frying pan. So we're almost finished. So I could show you the finished product and how it looks when I'm finished frying. So you stay tuned until I finish frying these guys. So keep watching. I'll be right back. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is our finished product of our Devlin Horseback. This is how it looks in the plate. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And tell me where you're watching it from. So remember guys, like, share, comment and subscribe. And God bless you. And thank you for watching. See you guys in our next video. Bye bye. And remember, go check out our other thing. Go in the description box and you will see our other social media we have there. You go check it out too guys. Thank you. Bye bye.